Hi guys, so today I want to show you the video of how I'm gonna make um, a vacuum cleaner for my fish tank. As you can see, I got a tall fish tank, and usually all the uh, vacuums for the fish tanks, they're usually pretty short. So, and I don't want to put my hands in the water too deep. So I'm just gonna make a long aquarium vacuum. I need to do a water change anyway, so it was a perfect opportunity. So what I did is I bought right here is a clear tube, which is sold in your local Home Depots and Lowe's and whatever as a protective for fluorescent bulbs. On the end right here you got this little cap. It's pretty tight in there, but you can see there's an open spot for the probes from the bulb. So then I bought a clear plastic tubing, and I bought this nylon hose barb right here. That would be this guy right here. So now I'm just gonna use a knife and open that up, make it a circle so I can screw the barb in there. Okay. Try. So it's plastic, so it should be cut pretty easily. Okay, let's see. It goes in there, screws in there. As you can see, it's screwing in there. So what I want to do next is I want to screw it all the way in. It should be okay like this, but I'm going to unscrew it just a little bit. So I'm going to put some hot glue out here, and while it's still going to be hot, just going to screw it all the way in. That would seal any leaks or anything like that I would have in there. Let me see if I can get a better lighting for what I'm doing. Just put a hot glue in there all the way around. Okay, and while it's still hot, I'm just gonna screw it all the way in. Smooth it all over. Just make it smooth out there. So now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut the tube to the length of the, or to the depth of the aquarium. Put the camera away a little bit. Okay. So now my aquarium is about, so I'm going to cut it about 23 inches. I'm going to cut the tube about 23 inches long. It would be right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Just cut it with the knife. Box cutter. Just cut it with a box cutter. Okay. Just clean up the edge a little bit out here. Okay. So anyway, cut it. Now this fits snug in there. So I can leave it alone, or I can use a little bit of hot glue and make sure it's really tight. So I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue just to make sure. Just a little bit, not a whole lot, just a little bead of hot glue while it's still hot. Put it in there while it's still hot. Same thing, smooth it all over. Just take the rest, take the excess off of it. But now it's going to be tight. It's not going anywhere. So it's going to be all the way. As you can see, I wouldn't have to put my hand in the tank at all. It's going to be high enough to go all the way to the bottom. And now just take the plastic tubing. 10 feet. I'm not going to need the whole 10 feet. But put that in there. Okay, and we're pretty much done. So if it's going to be right here to the bucket, about 5 or 6 feet will be enough. I'm gonna leave it on for now because I ain't got no other use for it. So let me get a bucket and show you how it's gonna work. Okay, so just put that in there, and I'm gonna have to create a suction out here. Okay, got that going, and now just get all the dirt out of it. I usually put my thumb out there, and you can restrict the flow, regulate the flow rather, and vacuum like that. Okay, I can get all the way in the back, and don't even have to put my hands in the water. See, when I'm done, just close it up. Put it in the tank. And that's about it. See, my water bucket is full, so I'm gonna empty it out. But that's it. That's how you do it. And if you like it, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. And leave your comments. Have a good one.